Hey guys, welcome to Car Crazy Can's Garage. Well, the Chimera project is coming along pretty good. I've been doing quite a bit of work to it in the evenings. Working till 10:30. You're roughly working till about 9:30, 10:30 p.m. at night. So get it done. Anyways, this is the back window from the 1950. Got in the back of the S10 cab. So yeah, so it's coming along pretty good. Roof is on there. It's all tacked on there. It's not really permanently welded, but it's tacked on there. There's a lip on here. Kind of really like to have to do a bit of work on it because I've been using this flux core wire, and it's good for 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch plate and this and that, but for thin metal I have to get the MIG with the gas so I can get these things done properly. Well, easy to get. So I need a bit of filler work and this and that, and got the cab on here, the cab corners. This side's kind of goobered a little bit, but the other side looks a lot better. So anyways, my original thought was to, cut the cab down the middle and, put everything on there, but I chose a different route and decided to go this way. It is interesting, sort of. Just a lot more fabrication this way, the way I did it here. It's welded onto the side of the cab here. I got it cut on the inside, so I got this is the ugly side, of course. So, but anyways, I'll show on the other side. Of course, this is my first time doing something like this, so first time doing something is never always perfect. So, but this side turned out a lot better, and turned out way it should have turned out. But yeah, so it's all cut down, everything on there. I just love this kind of stuff. Love it. So it's all on here. I still have to do a bit of work in here yet to get every tickety boo. So the panel in here. So yeah, so it's coming along pretty good. So it's not perfect. I mean, once I get fiberglass and everything on there, and all the welds are perfect the way I want it to be, then fiberglass and Bondo and all that stuff like that, then it'll be a lot more different and a lot more nicer, right? Of course. So yeah, got that. This is the ugly side, of course. We're working on this. The roof. Originally, the roof here I wanted to do. I originally wanted to cut it down the center. And after doing a bunch of measurements and this and that, it didn't work the way I wanted it to, because I didn't want to cut the roof down the middle and screw on with that window and everything, and figure this way is the best way to do it. So a little more on the fabbing side of it, but that's okay. I don't mind. This side here is a little bit foo-barbed a little bit, but I can probably manipulate this here a little bit, and that over there, bend it in a little bit, and it'll come out straight. The other side's a lot nicer. So, but see, that one's pretty straight there. So anyways, it's not done here yet, but like I said, I can probably manipulate this here a little bit, bring it out here a little bit, full edge out here a bit, and cap this one in here a bit, and you'll probably straighten out. So, but yeah, I had to do a lot of sectioning and everything. I had to put a piece in here. I folded it with I made this edge here, and did it on the vise here with a piece of edge here. I got a piece of edging here from, I forget this was from a blade or something. So it's hardened steel, but anyways, I think it's 3/8. Stuck on there and I folded it and tapped it with the hammer and made the edge. So, but yeah, so here she is. So I had to put a little piece in there for that there, and it just bits and pieces up in there. I have a brace in there for the roof. I don't know if you can see that or not. With little braces in there for the roof, for that top edge there. So I still have to weld on the inside. But there's braces in here, and then what I'll do is I'll weld from the inside up, and it'll be nice and sturdy in here. So, I mean, you know, doing the best of what I can with what I have. So, but I'm actually going up to Princess Auto, and getting a either air nibbler or air shear. So I've been using my air chisel, but I can't get the cuts I want. It just kind of goes all over the place, and I can't get the perfect cuts I want. So yeah, here with the door again. Show with the door. Anyways, there she is there. So I want to I want to get that air shear so I can cut some pieces and weld them in here or something like that, and then I can weld this door to it. We got to figure something out and get it. Probably end up just trimming this down here a bit and welding the door right to this here, but I still need filler panels to go in here. So yeah, something like that. We'll have to figure it out, but definitely put some filler panels in there and do something about the edge here too. And the back here too, I'm going to be putting a filler panel in here. I know it's kind of hard to visualize that, but put a filler panel in here. So I was trying with the idea. See that old I forget what that. I always forget what the hell that damn name of that part is for the right in front of the windshield there, where the windshield wipers come out of. I forget the name. Balanced? I forget what the hell it is, but it has those vents on there. I was thinking about putting some of them in here. Getting a bit of character, but we'll see. I'm not too sure yet. So yeah, get to do a lot more grinding, get everything tickety boo on here. But yeah, it's kind of cool. I had a friend of mine come by the other day and seen this truck here, and he didn't quite know what to think of it. He's like scratching his head thinking, what the hell have you done now? So he said to me I should get married and get some kids. Stop playing around with trucks. But no. Anyways. Now we're doing that there. Still have quite a bit there. I got this boxed in here. So that's nice and sturdy on there. And to put some pieces in here. And I'm actually going to see if I can get this. Oh, I don't know if I get that in there now. Hey. There's something. I'll see if I can get this vent here to work. If not, then oh yeah, maybe. Let's see if I can get this vent here to work, and so I can flap it up and down. But you know, it'd be kind of cool. A lot of fabrication there. Keep the heater in there. I'm gonna need that for whatever reason. So yeah, it's sure nice. I really like working with this 50s metal. It's so easy to weld, eh? So nice to weld, and nice and thick. So nice stuff. So you know, there's a few flaws in it, but I think after this project, after we get this one done, hopefully, I don't think I'll be building any more hot rods. I got enough between this one here, 55, and the Ventura. That's enough hot rods. So, but you know, whatever. Little welder's been good to me. Haven't had many issues with it, so I've been using that. So. But yeah, so if you're in a pinch, you can always use flux core wire. You can do a bit of body work with it. I've done it many times, but be careful, because if you go too high, it blows right through the metal, or you go too low of a setting and it doesn't do proper weld. So, but these all have to be ground down and, you know, done better. But I was doing some pretty good welds here with it the other day. And flux core is never the best. It is what it is. I mean, it's not pretty, but at least it gives me a ballpark figure of what does it look like. So grind it and fill it and all this and that. And this roof, someone smucked with it and has Bondo and stuff in it. Like, whatever. So anyways, that's the way it is. So I thought I'd post a little update. It's not pretty, but it is what it is. I mean, it's a rat rod. It's not a show vehicle. Well, not show car quality anyway. Anyways, thought I'd post it up there. So give you guys something to look at, and criticize me, of course, you probably will. So, anyways, it is what it is. So once we get our shear or nibbler, whatever we get from Princess Auto, then we'll get these side panels put in here. Basically get some cardboard and a template for that there and that there. That'll be all boxed off there. I know it's weird and cool, but it's kind of weird looking, but whatever. So anyways, yeah, so anyways, that's all my report for this weekend. And anyways, stay tuned for more updates on the project. So got just another few more days to do work on it, and after that it's going to be put in the back there and work on it in the fall. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to new subscribers. Thanks for the comments, the likes and shares, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye for now.